In this video, I'll show you how to create a promotion code in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Product Catalog in the left side menu, then select Coupons. Before creating a promotion code, make sure you already have a coupon available, since every promotion code must be linked to one. Now, click Create Promotion Code. Select the coupon you want to use, then enter the code your customers will type at checkout. You can create a custom code that's easy to remember or let Stripe generate one for you. Next, choose any optional restrictions. For example, you can limit how many times the code can be redeemed, set an expiration date, or apply a minimum purchase amount if needed. Once you've finished configuring the settings, review everything and click Create Promotion Code. Your promotion code is now ready to use and can be shared with your customers for eligible purchases or subscriptions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a promotion code in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.